Welcome back. If Google Chrome is missing or disabled on your Android phone, don't worry. This guide will show you how to enable Chrome and set it as your default browser in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap Apps or Applications depending on your phone model and Android version. Browse through the list of installed apps until you find Chrome, then tap on it to open the app information page. If you don't see Chrome, tap the filter or menu option and select disabled apps to display applications that have been turned off. Once you locate Chrome, tap enable at the bottom of the screen. After a few seconds, the browser will be active again and ready to use. If Chrome is enabled but web links continue opening in another browser, such as Samsung Internet, you'll need to set Chrome as your default browser. Return to the Settings app and open Apps. Tap Choose Default Apps or Default Apps, then select Browser app. From the available options, choose Google Chrome. From this point forward, most links you tap in emails, messages, and other apps will automatically open in Chrome. If Chrome still doesn't work properly after enabling it, consider updating the app through the Google Play Store and restarting your device. You can also clear Chrome's cache if it feels slow or behaves unexpectedly. That's it. Chrome is now enabled and ready to use. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Android tutorials.